Uganda revenue authorities say the new monitoring gadgets for taxpayers will simplify the process of paying tax. The electronic fiscal devices, according to the revenue collector, will also assist taxpayers in proper bookkeeping and sales management.
So as you carry out the transaction, once you are finished, it sends something to the revenue authority. And then at that point it is stored in a database, and then analytics are run on it. Various things can be done with this information.
Uganda revenue authorities say these new monitoring gadgets for taxpayers are expected to greatly increase tax compliance, but also part of the government efforts to increase domestic budget funding.
We will start knowing what the actual volumes of trade are. We expect to see an immediate impact on the turnover taxes, the VAT and excise duties, but we will eventually also see an impact on the income taxes.
Uganda has passed a $7.8 billion budget for financial year 2016-2017 with a plan to meet 70% of the cost using domestic resources. The tax collector is determined to close all loopholes that allow people to avoid tax. They believe this tax monitoring system will help combat unfair competition among taxpayers, but also capture the informal sector outside the tax register. However, some critics believe the system may not work as expected. They say taxes in Uganda are so high and not reasonable to many.
I would encourage that our planners think faster on how to make tax acceptable, first of all, and affordable. The more we make it affordable, the easier people will pay it, and therefore we shall be able to collect this revenue with ease.
The electronic fiscal devices will progressively be rolled out to taxpayers, starting with supermarkets and wholesale shops in Kampala at the beginning of the year 2017. Baleke, CCTV, Kampala.